Okay, video tutorial on changing images in the gallery as well as changing images in any other part of the website. Let's start with the gallery. So if we go along to the gallery page, once you've logged in. So once you've logged in, as you know, you get this bar at the top. So you go to the gallery page. We're now going to click on edit page. And that will take us into the actual back end itself. And what we then do is scoot down the page as it loads. What you'll see that the back end of what you see in the front end is here, and we're looking at the masonry gallery. So at the moment we've got 5 images in 5 columns, so it does a straight line of 5. To change these, all we need to do, or to add to them, is to go into the gallery. And here they are. Now you can, to remove a picture, just click on the box, standard. That's to edit it. You can also drag and drop these around so you can change their positioning and so forth. If you want to add to the gallery, then you do one of two things. If you stuff that's already in the actual, it's been uploaded, it's just imagine it's there. We click on it, highlight it, it's ticked. You'll see here some important information, which is the size. Make sure that before you upload images to the website, you edit them. So don't upload an original picture from your phone or from your camera, because it'd be too big, it'd be huge. And by that, it'd be huge in 2 ways. It'd be huge in dimensions. This is actually 800 pixels wide, 549 pixels high, and it weighs in at just 436 KB. Now there's over 1,000 KBs to 1 megabyte. So even this is deemed as large. However, what I've set up on the website is a plugin called Smush. So as it uploads, it shrinks them down further. The size, that is, not the actual weight of it, the KB bit, and not the actual dimensions. So ideally, get the open up an image on your computer in some photo software, resize it so that it's 800 pixels by 549. So make sure that when you take a picture, you give plenty of area around the subject so you can crop it, because that's the best way of doing it. It's to set your cropping tool to 800 by 549 and just crop out the bit you want, and then you're going to upload it. So let's imagine, so for this circumstance, this example, this has already been already obviously optimized, edited and uploaded, and therefore we're just going to add it to the gallery. And then when we insert it into the gallery, we've got 6 images, so we want to change that to 6, and the maximum columns we can go is 6. So we save it, we update, and then when we actually go to have a look, you'll be able to see that the pictures are in there. And there's now a row, so it's slightly smaller because there's now 6 of them. If you wanted to make them bigger, but on 2 columns, then all we would do is go back into the masonry gallery, which we have here. Let's have a look. So we go into gallery, masonry gallery. So we want to change that. So what we've got to do here is to keep that to 6, but change the columns to 3. Then we save it, and we update it. And then when we view the actual page that's been edited, which we should be able to do now, click on view page, and you will see that they're now bigger, and they're in 2 rows of 3. So it's important that the image is as best quality as possible, highest resolution. However, we don't upload it as a highest resolution. We have it highest resolution for the benefit of editing. You first of all edit the picture in a photo software, photo editing software, whether that be Photoshop or whatever. Crop it to 800 by 549 pixels, and then where possible, if you've got it in your software, save it as optimized for web. It just means the website won't get slow and sluggish because of the size of the images. So let's go back and just correct that, and you can see how I'm doing it again. So go to the gallery. You now want to edit it, because we want to get rid of the one we've just put in. I can't remember which way is that 1 minute. Get rid of that. Insert gallery, change that back to 5, change that back to 5, and there you go. That is how you do it. If you've edited some on your computer and you want to upload them, then in order to do that, you go back into here and you add to gallery. But now, instead of going to media library, which is the stuff that's already on the server, we go to upload files, and we then select files from whatever folder it is into our computer, and then upload it. And that's how that works. Now, the pictures in other parts of the website, let's imagine for a moment that you want to change this. Is on the home page. Say you want to change that, or any of these. Again, once you've logged in, you'll see this bit at the top. So edit front page. It then takes you to that back end of the front page, and that's where you will see the actual layout, how I've set it up. So for argument's sake, the top part there, this is on Easy Slider. So Easy Slider is a bit similar to the one we just saw, the masonry slider. So we go into there, these are the images, and basically if you want to change it, you click on one there, you click on change image, and you then either upload it from, if it's a new one, from your computer, like we've just seen, or we go into the media library and we select a different image, which is we've just seen do. Okay, so that's for that part. Let's come out of there. If you want to look at a static image, as in it's just a single image, we go into the image area, we'll see the image, we can then click on the image or click on insert image. Again, we've got a choice of changing images from what we've already got on the server, or we do the same again. We've got a new image and we want to upload it from our computers. If we have a look at that, if we go into find where that is. Right, that one. Let's just have a quick look. So it's this one. So again, you'll see the image size. All the image sizes are here. This is 300 by 206. If you want to make it bigger, you just select one. Usually, what I've found on the big ones you see on the home page are I've pretty much stuck to 800 by 549. And again, because it's been smushed, so it's been reduced. Okay, so we don't need to. It's already been done. Okay, and that is. And that's the same. That's applicable on any picture, on any page that you see an image like this. Click on it, change it. Same here. Click on it, go into it, change it. Just make sure. Just be cautious about the size, because you want it all looking smart and symmetrical. Okay, and that's basically it. That is how you change, update images.